Hi berries, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna be sharing a recipe with you all on how best to Promix Glutax Whitening Lotion for super whitening effects. But before that, if you are yet to subscribe to the channel, kindly do so now so you don't get to miss out on any of my upcoming videos. So let's get started. So to Promix this lotion, you'll be needing Gluta Wink White, which contains glutathione and SPF 60. It helps in fading skin discoloration, black spots. It smoothens and moisturizes the skin. It's super effective, you guys. You start seeing results in 1 to 2 weeks of usage. You'll be needing Rapid White Whitenizer, which helps in preventing cream reaction, sunburn, eczema, rashes, ringworm, and other skin issues related to bleaching cream reaction. It also helps in fading dark spots, acne, pimples, and it whitening the skin in 7 days. You'll be needing Skin-Free Milk, which is very effective in skin whitening. It fades dark spots, acne, dark toes, and knuckles. You'll be needing More White Skin Perfector Serum, which unifies the skin complexion, boosts collagen, and moisturizes the skin. You'll be needing Botox Injection Oil, which is a strong whitenizer and can be used only in creams. You'll be needing Glutathione Powder, which helps in lightening the skin. You'll be needing Alpha-Arbutin Powder, which is also a whitening powder, and you'll be needing Giga White Powder. So firstly, in a clean bowl, you put 1 Gluta Wink White Lotion, you put 1 Rapid White Whitenizer, you put 1 Skin-Free Milk, you put 1 More White Skin Perfecting Serum, you put 1 Botox Injection Oil, you put 2 tablespoons of Glutathione Powder, you put 2 tablespoons of Alpha-Arbutin Powder, lastly you put 3 teaspoons of Giga White Powder. Then you properly mix with your hand mixer until it's creamy and well blended. And that's how you Promix your Glutax Whitening Lotion. This is only for light skin. If you are dark and you also want to lighten up, you can as well use this, but always put more concern on your knuckle, your elbow, your knee, and your toes region, so that those areas won't get dark than other parts of your skin, okay? And don't forget to exfoliate your skin at least 3 times a week in order to achieve a flawless white skin with this lotion. It's super effective. If you want fast action whitening lotion, then you should try this. This is all for today, guys. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you found it helpful. If you liked it, do give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends, and also help this channel grow by clicking on the subscribe button below. And when you do, don't forget to click on the notification bell icon beside it to get notified when next I upload a new video. That way you won't get to miss out on any of my upcoming videos. See you all in my next video. Bye.